Students, you can see a tasbih in my hand. This tasbih is divided with this bead into how many equal parts? How many this kind of beads are there in a tasbih? 2. So this is my one of the part. This is my second part between two of this kind of beads, and this is my third part. Means this full tasbih with the help of these two special beads is divided into how many part? 1, 2 and 3. If I have to count the beads up to only one of its part, so how much fraction I finished or I counted, recited on this tasbih? 1/3. If I did up to here, from starting from here and going up to here, then how much is the fraction? 2 of the part I covered, and in total how many parts are there? 1, 2 and 3, so 2/3. Similarly, this pin holder, in how much part of the whole circle this pin, you can see the whole part is divided into how many equal part whole circle? It is divided into 3 equal parts. Among the 3 equal parts, the pins are there in only one part. So if I have to write it in fractional number, that how much part is used to put the pins. So what I will write? The total part is divided into 1, 2, 3. So 3 will go in numerator or denominator? It will go in denominator. So what I will write? 3 in denominator and the division line, and how much I will write in the numerator? Only one part is used, so I will write 1/3. Clear? Okay. Now I am having some bangles with me. Next, we may have other than whole. We are talking about whole. whole में हमारे पास बेटा एक से ज़्यादा चीज़ भी हो सकती है. Fraction shows division. I can divide this also, and we can divide this also. A single thing. हम single को काट के fold करके, जैसे apple है, if you are having one apple, you divide it into 2 equal halves and share with your friend or brother. लेकिन आपके पास 2 एप्पल हुआ और आप उसे शेयर कर रहे हो, then you give 1 to the other person. Now I am having bangles. How many bangles? I am having 12 bangles, 1 dozen of bangle. If I divided it like this and I kept it on this paper, then how much part of the bangle is there on the paper, on this rectangular paper? What we will write? 1 part from 2. The bangles are divided into 2 equal parts, and I kept only 1 part on this rectangular piece of paper. So 1/2. If I am going to divide it into 3 equal parts, 4 each. Now I divided this into 3 parts. And from this 3, if I kept this color on this bangle, so how much fraction is covered by this color? From 3, only 1. So how I will represent it in the form of fraction? This one, 1/3. Clear? But if I want to know even the quantity, that in one part how many things are there, I divided this whole into how many parts? This whole into how many parts? 1/3. 1/3. लेकिन 1/3 of what? I divided 1/3 part of what? Of 12 bangles. So how many comes in one part? How many comes? We can see 4. So how to find out? Divide 12 by, in how many parts we divided it? 3 parts. Divide 12 by 3, you will get 4. Similarly, taking one more example. Suppose this is sketch pen. This is also 12, 1 pack of sketch pens. If you have to divide it into 6 equal parts, then what we will get? 2 in each part. 2 in each part. Okay. So when you divide it into 6 equal part and getting 2 in each part, then how we divided it into how many parts? How many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how one part will be represented? How the division will be represented? 1/6. But 1/6 of what? Total how many sketch pens in a pack? 1 upon 6 of again 12. So divide 12 by 6 and you will get in one part how many come. One part will be represented by 2 sketch pen. So एक हिस्से में आपको कितना मिलेगा? Only 2. Suppose I am taking away 2 from here. After taking away 2 from here, if I divide it into 2 to each equal parts, so how many parts now I am having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whole sketch pen is divided into how many parts? 1 represent how many parts? 1 upon 5. But 1 upon 5 of what? 1 upon 5 of now 10. So how to get how many parts will come in one division? So when you divide 10 by 5, we will get 2. That represent कि आपके एक हिस्से में कितना आया? 2 आया. Taking one more example. Suppose I am having this leaf with me. And in this leaf, what I did? I divided this leaf into what I did? I divided it into half. Now after dividing it into half, how many are with me in total in parts? I am having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 with me. 8 with me. If I take away 3, what I will write for it? I will write 3 upon 8 for, because now I am talking about total part. We had not divided it into equal part. But if I am going to keep 1 away and 3 together, then the 4 leaves is divided into how many part? 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4. But 1 upon 4 of what? Total 8. Total 8 parts. So of 8. So in one part how many come? 8 divided by 4 equal to 2. So in one part there are 2 things with me. Okay. Clear students? In this manner you have to do this. Thank you.